Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In today's video, we are going to see how to install WordPress CMS on RHEL 7.6. Introduction. WordPress is the most powerful and popular content management system that allows you to create and publish your content on the web. Although it can be used for web publishing and manage content on a intranet or on a single computer. Pre-requirement: Apache, MySQL, PHP version 7.2 and its module. To check the installed version of OS, installed version is 7.6. Now I am going to create database for WordPress CMS. Create database. Database name WordPress. Now I am going to download WordPress CMS. WordPress has been downloaded. Now we have to extract the downloaded file. Move the extracted WordPress directory under Apache root directory. Change directory to WordPress. Here rename sample.php file into config.php. config.php. Now I am going to edit config.php file. Here provide database details. DB name WordPress. After the configuration, save and quit this file. Now we have to set ownership and permission for this directory. After this, we have to configure virtual host for WordPress CMS. Give word.conf. Save and quit this file. Then make an host entry. Save this file. Now we have to restart Apache service. Apache has been restarted. Then go to browser. In new tab, provide your domain name. Here click on continue. Provide site title here. Create username admin. Click on confirm. Here give email address. Click on install WordPress. Click on login. Provide here user credential.
Thanks for watching these videos. Please subscribe our Linux Help channel. For further details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.